In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the time tracking app in Jira, a powerful tool that can streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. Let's dive in and get you well acquainted with this app so you can effectively keep track of your team's time and progress. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Jira account. On your dashboard, you'll notice a sidebar on the left-hand side. Look for the option labeled Apps. Clicking on this will open up a menu. From here, select Explore More Apps. This is where you'll find a variety of plugins and add-ons that can enhance Jira's functionality. In the search bar, type in Time Tracker by Tempo Software. This particular tool is renowned for its efficiency and user-friendly interface, making it a popular choice among Jira users. Once you've located it in the search results, go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to the app's main page, where you can explore its features and capabilities more thoroughly. Take a moment here to review the information presented. Understanding the app's features and benefits can help you leverage it to its fullest potential. Once you're ready to proceed, you'll notice an Install button located at the top right of the app's page. Click on that button to begin the installation process. This usually takes just a few moments, and once completed, the time tracker will be integrated into your Jira environment. You can find it listed under the Apps section on your left sidebar, conveniently accessible whenever you need it. Now that the app is installed, give it a click to access its main interface. You'll find it pretty straightforward and easy to navigate. Next, we'll dive into one of the most essential features of this app, logging time. Click on the Log Time button to start recording work done. This tracks how various tasks allocate time and resources throughout your projects. When filling in the details, begin with the issue key. This is vital, as it ensures that the time spent is attributed to the correct task or issue. Following that, enter the time spent, providing an accurate account of how long the task took. Don't forget to record the date started. It's crucial for maintaining accurate timelines. Next, input the remaining estimate. This will give you an overview of how much more time is needed to complete the task. Last but not least, add a description of the work done. This notes any specifics or nuances others on your team might need to know about. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields, simply click on Log Time, and just like that, your work is recorded. This straightforward process keeps your project timelines clear and up to date, ensuring that everyone on your team can see exactly what's happening. And that's all there is to it. With this tool, tracking time in Jira is a breeze, allowing for better project management and greater efficiency.